What's up? This is Drake running real estate here on YouTube. I just purchased this house near downtown Bentonville, Arkansas. 1977 build, 944 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. The purchase price was $375,000. I think we got a great deal. Let's check it out. So, story about this property. It was built, like I said, 1977. When it was built, it was funded with a rural development loan, meaning this was the outskirts of Bentonville, Arkansas. It is definitely not now. It's very close to downtown, about a half mile away. What we have is a 2-bedroom ranch style is how I would describe it home. It is on a crawl space, but beggars cannot be choosers in the downtown Bentonville market, which is one of the hottest markets in the central United States right now. It's absolutely going crazy. This was an entry point buy. So looking at this property, we already know we're gonna have to pour about $60,000 into it. One of the first things I noticed when it came across was a bad termite policy inspection, but even something like that is not a big enough issue for me to go away from the deal. We followed through with our as-is purchase, no big deal at all. Justifiable by the land value being close to what we paid for in the purchase price. It's got a nice front window. These are all gonna have to go. These are all original aluminum windows, single pane, not very energy efficient. And then the kitchen is really small, so check this out. So we've got the Corian countertops, nothing fancy there. You can see the drop ceiling. It looks like the boxes for the cabinets are in decent shape. They were nice enough to empty those out for us. As far as an as-is purchase, it's not in bad condition. I think there's a lot of room to work with this kitchen. We'll probably keep the same exact setup with it. Like I said, keep the cabinet boxes, get them painted, put a nice, maybe even top of the line like quartz countertop, because why not? I mean, it's barely any space. And then we want to make sure we get a dishwasher in there. So that's kind of what's going on with the kitchen. Another interesting thing about the home is there is not a back door. So the only way to the backyard is to go out that carport door and walk around. So what we're looking to do with this 60K renovation is a slight reconfiguration of this space. So we already have natural light coming in. We're either gonna do like a double French doors or a sliding door out to a back deck. And I will show you guys that when we walk the backyard. Got the nice 1970s carpet. So the main bedroom is nice and spacious. Again, big, classic ranch style aluminum windows here. I mean, this is all the space you could ever need. Decent sized closet, nothing crazy. And then another window over here. And then the sheetrock, we'll see how it looks when it's painted, but we could probably go for a re-drywall the house. So that'll be something to include. Second bedroom, probably best suited as an office, could be a guest or spare bedroom with a small bed, but this is what you get. I'm thinking it'll feel a little bigger when we have the LVP flooring and something that looks more modern. Also, this trim is something we're gonna wanna do away with. This is the original like 1.5-inch trim. Probably wanna do like the 4-inch trim since the house is small and we can afford to do those type of things. The electrical I'm not crazy about. We definitely want some recessed lighting or fans in these rooms. And then along with that, probably all new outlets, everything tricked out there. But those are the 2 bedrooms. The bathroom I'm a big fan of. I guess I'll step in. So in this bathroom, we got an original 1977, I think it's porcelain, could be wrong, bathtub with the tile. This tile is salvageable, especially if we stained it like a white and just kept it. And then we want to do away with this. See what's under here. Straight to the subfloor. Yeah, there's definitely some moisture in here. There's a few things that people wouldn't be crazy about, but again, beggars can't be choosers in a market like this. I'm a big fan of a window in the shower. I think with like the new modern frosted kind of vibe here, you're gonna get some natural light, which is gonna be really good when you're showering. But overall, pretty good Pretty good bathroom. Doesn't take very long to tour this place. Right here we've got the washer dryer, and a space saving method could be, I'm just gonna open this up. We might look at doing a stackable and kind of removing this box. Not sure on that. You got your electrical box, your hot water heater, and your furnace there. The air ducts go through the floor, which isn't a big deal. There's a little bit of crawl space. And this was a big value add for me. So I'm always looking for interesting things about properties that I think could be a value add. This property has a carport footprint. You can see the CMU blocks for the foundation, so some work would need to be done. But my thought is this could be enclosed with like some really cool windows, almost like a sunroom. Could possibly get another 300 feet right here, and I'll walk this off. It's about 18, see, probably 18 by 10. Yeah, so probably with all the stuff in there, you're looking at 18 by 10. Additional 180 square feet, which would make this property like 1,150 square feet, which would definitely help with the value. So the backyard is awesome. This is where we would want to cut the door out. You can see the old clothesline, and then if you guys have ever visited Bentonville, Arkansas, here in Northwest Arkansas, we're right behind Central Avenue. So you can see the cars jetting by over here. But I think once this has a privacy fence and it feels more secluded, we'll really get the feel of Bentonville. Obviously new HVAC's needed right there. But yeah, overall solid spot. So that is the tour of the 2nd Street property. We're gonna be bringing you some fire as we go through renovating this. Not an HGTV renovation, a running real estate renovation, a real live 60K, how to spend it smart, how to get your value back out. We're gonna be including our subcontractors, and this will be a series that we probably roll out a couple of videos on over the next few months. But again, thanks for joining us. Thanks for following the journey so far. We can't thank you enough. From Michael behind the camera to me, watching the channel grow has been amazing, and it's thanks to you guys. So please keep watching the videos. If you like videos like this, let us know in the comments. Hit the thumbs up while you're here so this video gets to more people. I'm out.